Hey guys, it's that time of year again. We're trying to collect all the forms so we can get everything squared away and get ready for the season to start. I was over at the high school today, and Miss Patty Feathers gave me a list of students who still need paperwork. And I think we have like four students who have everything turned in. And other than that, everybody else has at least one or maybe all their documents that need to be turned in before the year. So I'm going to go through and show you how to do this very quickly. So if you go to the Tennessee High website, all you have to do is click on athletics. Once you go to athletics, you're going to scroll down, and on the left hand side, you're going to see quick links. Under quick links, there's a forms, and you're going to click on forms. All right, so this has all the forms that you need to be an athlete at Tennessee High. And if you fill this out, it will be good through winter and spring sports, but these do have to be filled out every single school year. All right, so if you click on that athletic handbook, it's going to have several of these forms included in that handbook, but you also have separate forms here if you want to just print the form, fill it out, and bring it back. So you have to have the Appalachian Orthopedic Disclaimer, cardiac arrest awareness, the concussion statement, the drug testing policy, the health data form, and your physical form, which has to be filled out by your physician. All right, so when you have all your paperwork turned in, there's actually 6 documents that you will have turned in, okay? 6 documents that you have to get filled out and brought back every single year. All right, and be aware, make sure you look at these. One of them, I'm not sure which one it is, maybe the concussion one. It's got boxes where the student and the parent has to initial and then sign at the bottom. So right here where it says student athlete initials, so the student's going to initial on the left side and the parent's going to initial on the right side. And then both the student and the parent have to sign and date this. So kind of go through these together with your child. Again, the athletic handbook has most or all of these, but make sure these are filled out. How many do you need? 6. Yes, when you bring us all 6 forms filled out, that will be awesome and you will be done for the year. All right, if you have any questions, please let us know. I hope to see you at practice tonight.